With the Measure software, speech testing is fully customizable to suit the needs of your clinic. To edit speech tests, simply select Tools from the top menu bar. Then select Test Definitions. Within the Test Definitions window, select Speech at the right-hand side of the screen. You can then select the desired test and select Edit. Within the Editor window, a myriad of test parameters can be adjusted. You can change the name of each test and add a description if necessary. The aided condition can also be changed. This is particularly useful when creating a hearing aid verification protocol. A keyboard shortcut can be added or deleted for ease of access. In the Stimulus tab, the signal type, transducer, default ear side, and default starting intensity can be adjusted. A default pure tone average offset decibel level can also be selected and toggled on or off. When on, the speech test, in this case SRT, will begin at a certain number of decibels above each client's pure tone average. Step size, meaning the increase in dB with each increase in presentation level, can also be adjusted. Also in the Stimulus tab are options for masking, including masking stimuli. When the three ellipses next to sound are selected, the vast library of stimuli within Measure will be open. You can then select your desired stimuli. Masking transducer, side, and default level are also adjusted here. In the Word Scoring tab, continuous or stepped presentation can be selected. You can also allow Measure to calculate a phoneme rather than whole word score. This is particularly useful during cochlear implant evaluations and even hearing aid verification appointments. Word list type can also be changed within this menu. In the Curve Styles tab, located at the top of the Editor window, symbols can be adjusted and are in the same format as those used for pure tone audiometry. Masking hints and minimum interaural attenuation levels can be adjusted in the Masking Assistant tab. To save your changes, select OK within the Editor window and then close your Test Definitions window. You will be prompted to restart Measure to save your changes.